everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to check us out. For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today is, now I told you I was going to do this. I wanted to really take the time and get to use this palette right here. I love the greens that are in this palette. Now, if you're not familiar with this palette, this was in the February YAS box package. And if you would like to see how I created this look right here and up here, because I'll make sure I put the picture of me without my glasses on up here, then continue to watch. Now, in addition to this palette, we also used these brushes. This came in that same package, as well as this eyeliner, which is by Koki, and this goldish color eyeliner from YAS Beauty. Okay, and we bought it all together with this lipstick called Dangerous from Bang Beauty. Okay, now I'm sorry I didn't tell you where the brushes were from. These brushes are from #INMO. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with that, that means I'm not missing out. So these are the products that we used on today to create this look, and I must admit I did have fun with it. Okay, I am all about those greens right now, just in case you can't tell, but we used all of the greens in the palette, as well as our blush was actually this color, and our highlight is this one. it a thumbs up, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit the bell so you will be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.